Start. Why should there be secrecy? Question mark. There should be total transparency in the transaction. Stop. Government should come out with a position paper giving details such as what are the names of the undertakings, whether they have already sold the shares which they proposed to sell, what are the number of shares they sold, what is the price fixed, who were the buyers, and what was the method followed in selling those shares. Stop. I understand from the speech of the finance minister in the budget that for the next year they are going to evolve some guidelines and procedures. Stanza. My request to the government is that they should come out with a clear-cut procedure where the government realizes the best price for the shares and the shares are widely distributed to the public in case they are going to make it a public issue. Stop. Madam, my other point, apart from the high realization, is the use of money so collected. Stop. It is very well known when any private entrepreneur sells capital assets, the proceeds used either to buy another capital asset or to repay debts. Stop. Unfortunately, because of the difficult financial situation of the government, the money collected last year has been spent on expenditure. Stop. It is a very dangerous thing. Stop, madam. If you sell all your premium shares of public sector undertakings and use that money for your current year expenditure, then it is a very bad way of financial management. Stop. I request the finance minister through you that this year whatever realization they will make out of the proceeds of the shares of public sector undertakings should be strictly used either to acquire another asset or to repay debts, so that liabilities of the government come down to that extent. Stop. It is prudent financial management to use the accretion on capital account for either another asset on the capital account or a debt repayment on the capital account. Stanza. Sir, this is a very serious matter, and if we are going to amend the constitution and oust the jurisdiction of the High Court and the Supreme Court, there may be other people who would like to amend the constitution for certain other purposes. Stop. Going up to the High Court and getting writs is not a right provision. Stop. You know people are going to the High Courts and getting writs. Stop. Are we then to amend the constitution to make it impossible for people to get these writs? Stop. That will be a very serious matter, and it will be a wrong thing if we begin to amend the constitution because it does not please a particular section of the people of India. Over.